Hello everyone. Adding yet another feather to the cap, we are delighted to announce general availability of the feature cross-region read replica in geo-paired region in Azure Database for MySQL Flexible Server. Using this feature, end users can now provision a read replica in Azure supported paired region of the source server. For example, Azure paired region for West Europe is North Europe. Therefore, if your source server is West Europe, you can use this feature to provision a read replica in North Europe. Now let's understand key benefits of this feature. The first benefit is enhanced performance. One of the most common scenarios is to direct the read workloads to replica, while the primary server serves only the write workloads. This helps in optimizing the primary server for better performance. The second benefit is greater data availability. Basically, you can use this feature to make your business critical application resilient to regional disasters by placing your read replica in Azure paired region. In the event of disaster, the replica can be promoted to a standalone server, which the application can point to. One interesting thing to note is that using this feature, customers can meet their cross-region DR needs with better RTO than geo-restore. Let's look at the demo. So I'm on Azure portal and I have a source server which is in the location West Europe. You can now go to the replication blade to create a read replica. Click on Add Replica. Enter the replica name. Enter all the other details. In the location field, you can mention the paired region where you want to provision the read replica. So in this case, it's going to be North Europe. Hit on Review and Create. And hitting on Create will ensure a read replica is provisioned in the Azure paired region. In the interest of time, I've already created a read replica. So in the replication blade, you can see a paired region read replica, which is already created. Now this replica, as I mentioned, in the event of disaster, can be promoted as a standalone server. And you can do so by clicking on Promote. After all the validation and clicking on the checkbox, if you click on Promote, read replica will be promoted as a standalone, and the standalone server can be used for business continuity. Now let's look at the CLI command to provision a read replica in the paired region. So the command remains very much similar to provision an in-region read replica. The only difference is in the location attribute, you have to pass the paired region information. Once you provision a read replica using a CLI command, the read replica can be monitored through the Azure portal through the replication blade. To learn more about the feature, please refer to Microsoft Learn documentation. For any queries and feedback, reach out to us at the email given below. For more updates and announcements, do follow our social media handles. Thank you for listening in. If you have any feedback, do share it with us.